There we go. So now we can empty the cart. What this does, by adding this get variable empty cart equals 1, it will load this page you see here. Index.php empty cart equals 1. So we get to this page, we scroll along, and that will trigger this. Do you see? It's a get variable. So to recap, anything on the URL here is a get variable. So it'll check for the empty cart variable. If that's true, it will take the session shopping cart and it'll set it to an empty array, because this is an empty array, which will mean there's nothing in it. Okay, now let's add some products. I'm going to go ahead and add one silk shirt to it. Okay. So we have one extra money red silk shirt in it. Now let's do this. Let's try adding the same thing to it again. Now we get this message that says the item is already in the cart. And it doesn't add it. So this is good. Oh, what? Wait, that's strange. Oh, I think it derped for a second. Okay, this seems to be working. Let's add some sneakers. Okay, yeah. So once the item is already in the cart, if we try to add it again, it tells us that it's already in the cart. Okay? So the way this works, when you add the item to the cart, instead of just using the incremental numbers here, we're actually adding it to the cart using its product ID as the key. So if we add the Armani silk shirt, which has the ID of 2, it will go in the array under session shopping cart 2. If we add the Samsung, it goes in under session shopping cart 3. If we add the sneakers, they go in under session shopping cart 1. So that means we can use the isSet function. If I haven't discussed this, this just checks to see if a variable is set, obviously as named. So this product ID here is going to be 1 if it's the sneakers, 2 if it's the silk shirt, and 3 if it's the Samsung. So we can use that to check and see if the item has been put in the cart, because now the items are put in the cart linked with their product ID. That actually renders this field here completely redundant. I'll remove that in a bit. Okay, so now since we can't add an item to the cart twice, we need to have a way to edit the quantity if it's already in